Hello my dear students. In the previous class we have learned second poem is A Child's Hymn. Today we will discuss third lesson is Sonu's School's Sports Day. Before we start the unit, let us know some introductory part about this unit. Dear students, every school celebrate a sports day every year, right? Sports day are the events started by many schools in which pupils take part in competitive sports activity, right? Often with the aim of winning, they were got the prizes, right dears? And also game that a place, a school. Sports day can be wide and varied. They include sack race, running race, hurdle race, high jump, long jump, etc. These are all the events of the sports day, right? Weeks before is sports day, children start by giving their names of different events, right yes? And also after the school, there were practices in school premises, right yes? You also do same like this in your school. Yes, the children who didn't participate in the any events, they were get other duties of sports day like making relevant charts and also making list of games and participant, etc. These are all the who didn't participate students do that work. Understood yes? Yes. In this lesson you will learn about Sonu's School's Sports Day. Let us discuss. Okay dears? All of you open your text, page number 14. Now I will start with picture reading. All of you look at these pictures dears. Look at these pictures. Okay. Running race, high jump, long jump, spoon race, sack race, hurdle race, march fast, prize distributions. These are all pictures related to this chapter. Okay dear, that is the chapter name is Sonu's School's Sports Day. Let us discuss. Okay dears? All of you open your text, page number 16. Now I will read the text. Listen carefully. Okay dears? Read and explain also. Listen carefully. Lesson 3. Sonu's School Sports Day. The sports day at Sonu's schools is fast approaching. Here is a Sonu. He is a boy, small boy, little boy. Okay. He has become quite busy in the preparation. The Sonu School Sports Day is a fast approaching. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಮೀಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಸೋನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚಿಂಗ್. ಅಪ್ರೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಮೀಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. He has become quite busy. He has so much busy in sports day. Okay dears? You also busy with your festival in your home and also school festivals you also busy. Like this, Sonu also so busy. He was quite busy in the preparations. Sonu is the head boy of his school. One schools have a head boy in the one classroom, that is the monitor like this. Sonu also here is the head boy of a school. As the head boy, he will have a shoulder many responsibilities. ಇವನಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ because of he is a head of the school boy, right? So he has so many responsibilities. He will have to maintain proper relations with the teachers. He maintain to proper relations with their teachers. Okay dears? He will have to coordinate lots of activities and also he will coordinate lots of activities. So naturally lots of responsibilities and lots of work for Sonu. We here because of loads of work for Sonu, because of his school conducted by sports day, no? That's why he has lot of work and also he has lot of responsibilities. Have you understood, yes? Yes. He is working round the clocks. His mother is worried a lot of this, and one day she stops and asks him. One day his mother was so many worried because of his all responsibilities have, no. That's why stop him and ask him. Here is the conversations between Sonu and his mother. Now start the lesson conversations between of Sonu and his mother. Let us discuss. Okay, dears? First conversation start from mother. Mother, Sonu, when will be sports day at your school? Sonu, it will be on 6th December. That is next week, mummy. Here is the mother asked to his son, Sonu, when will be the sports day your school? Yavaga irod nim school sports day? So he replied, it will be on 6th December, the next month, mummy. Mother, you are so busy. You are so busy. ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಆಗಿದೀಯಾ. ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ನಿರತನಾಗಿದೀಯಾ. I know, ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೇ. ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಡೇ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಡೇ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಡೇ. I want to know something that day. Asked to his mother. Okay, dears? Sonu, okay ma. We celebrate sports day in our school in the month of December every year. In our school, celebrate sports day the month of December in every year. Asked to his mother. Asked to his mother. Mother, when will you start your preparations for this sports day? When will you? ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇಗೆ? Sonu, preparations for the celebrations will start 1 month before, ma'am. ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, 1 month ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ನಾವು 1 month ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಮದರ್, ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇ? ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? Sonu, a prominent leader will be invited as chief guest. ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಲೀಡರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಲೀಡರೇ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇಯ ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮದರ್, ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ರಿಯಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್? When will you start the real function, Sonu? Sonu replied, the sports day will start with a March 1st. First sports day start with March 1st. Asked to his mother. Mother, who will lead the March 1st? ಈ March 1st ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Yes, Sonu, generally the school captain. Here is the leading of a March 1st, generally a school's captain. Okay. This year I will lead the March 1st. Here head of the boy is Sonu. That's why he only lead the March 1st. Okay, dears? He will lead the March 1st with the students in their beautiful smart dress. Here is what is the meaning of beautiful? Beautiful means lovely. Okay, looking a very lovely. It meaning of lovely. And also smart meaning of ವಾಚ್ಫುಲಿ, ಈಗರ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಆ ರೀತಿ. ವಿತ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದೇರ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್. ಮದರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್? ಮತ್ತೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಎಸ್, Sonu, the chief guest will declare it open. Chief guest only declare the sports day. Okay, and also it is sports day start with of March 1st. I only lead the March 1st, mom asked to his mother. Sonu, the chief guest will declare it opens. Mother, will there be any sports events there? Mother, will there be any sports events that day? Sonu. Yes. This year we will have many events. This year we will have in our school, we will have many events. Already I told events are hurdle race, sack race, running race, high jump, long jump. Isn't it dear? Yes. The running race, the high jump, the hurdle race, the spoon race, the sack race, etc. These are all the events, different events of the school day. Artha aita makle? Have you understood? Now I will stop the lesson. Remaining part I will continue in the next class. Hope you all understood, students. Thank you.